Another quick little update for you guys. This is how the Mustang is sitting right now. I have the rear on the ramps like that, and then I have the bottom here on jack stands, and I have an oil pan under there to catch any of the trans fluid that drips because I took the drive shaft off, which is what I spent a lot of the day doing today, trying to make sure this setup is okay. And yeah, because there was a lot of brouhaha with those bolts and whatnot, and getting in and out of the car to shift the car in gear, rip the e-brake, do that whole thing. And because I want to do it on jacks because my ramp, or I want to do it on ramps because my jacks weren't big enough, I had to jack the rear up every time I wanted to spin the drive shaft because, you know, the wheels. So anyway, and I got a little bit more of this done. I got the power steering unhooked, so that's all good. I got that bitch ass radiator out. So yeah, I found out that the coolant reservoir that goes here for the V6, there's a bracket right there. It just unbolts. It's like 2.7 mils. And then yeah, the radiator is different because it doesn't clear where the coolant reservoir goes. But yeah, other than that, we're getting there. We're getting places. Stay tuned and follow for the follow-up.